Hi. Recently, one of the attendees of our e-learning course, EU Project Manager, asked me where do I find application forms for Erasmus Plus calls. I was looking for them everywhere, but I simply cannot find them. So I find it a little bit funny, but when I tried to find it, like many times before, it wasn't so easy. So let me quickly show you where do you find application forms to apply your educational project and get a grant. So if you're looking for grants for smaller projects and for mobilities, you are looking for decentralized calls or looking for application forms at local or national agencies. Alright, so let's start navigating this labyrinth of EU websites at the European Commission site ec.europe.eu, and we will look for Erasmus Plus application forms which are already available. Now it's November 2019, so it has been about a week since the call for Erasmus Plus was published. Okay, let me scroll down to funding and tenders. And I will look for calls by funding topics. So Erasmus Plus is a part of educational topics. And I'm looking for funding opportunities. So I'm almost there. And I will check the section how to apply. In Erasmus Plus, find an opportunity subpage. And let me scroll down a little bit. And I know that applying for mobility is decentralized action. So I will go to the funding and tenders portal, which is webgate.ec.europe.eu, and I already have a username and password and I'm automatically logged in. So I will click opportunities, and for mobility is under key A1, key action 1 subprogram. And here I can see a lot of subprograms for school mobility, staff mobility, higher educational mobility, and education. This one is of my interest because I'm looking for mobility between organizations and for adults. So this is KA104 call, and I see that the deadline for submission is 5th of February 2020. And I already have a draft application form, and I'm being redirected to the online application form. So I'm already in the application form. On the left side there are headings which I have to fill in. The red exclamation marks are marked there where I didn't fill the required fields already, and the green ones are already filled in. Next time I will talk about how to fill in the application form, and thanks for watching. Bye.